This is my doing too. This is his old silvers and my dad.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is my anyway.
Cassie, don't tear it up.
Oh no. Man. Oh, this is
What are you bringing it to me for?
This is my it.
How about I put it on the bed?
Put it on the bed.
Yeah.
This is my super chinny.
What are you coloring?
Blue like Daddy's favorite color.
What's Reagan's favorite color? Yellow? I thought it was a different color.
It starts.
Can you find your favorite color crayon?
What's your favorite color? Jesse. Hey.
You found it. What color is that?
Orange.
Orange. And what's Daddy's favorite color?
Blue.
And what does orange and blue make?
It makes turtle
It
shape.
makes Auburn. War Eagle.
Yes,
Can you say it?
War Eagle.
Is that funny?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
It's just doing like here.
Can Jessie help you color?
What?
Is she going to help you color?
Yeah.
No?
Just is too little. Then the torch. Jessie, no. Don't do it. Let's see, Jessie.
What are you coloring, Reagan?
It's going boost and
What's on the picture?
what? Torch.
Cars?
Yeah.
What else?
And Jessie and racing and afraid of trophies.
For a trophy?
Yeah. Oh, Jessie, no.
She's okay, baby.
Oh.
Jessie.
Mine was always for the race.
Okay, you're going to use orange for the race?
Yes. And might use it right here, but then not that. Uh-oh. I
Did
don't.
Daddy sneak you some sugar this morning?
No.
You stuck me. Let's still do like that. And I had his hiccups.
You had the hiccups.
Yeah.
Look, I can give you sugar that day.
Hey, Jessie.
My peanut
So
butter,
Mama, I
my
gave you
dad's
sugar,
hiccups,
and I didn't
and I
give you
got peanut butter.
No
Yeah,
trouble.
he gave you peanut butter?
Yeah, Daddy, my dad's hiccups.
Here comes Sissy.
No.
You're going to make your crowns fall.
No, forward. Oops. No, this. No. No, me. Tip. Bear.
Who are you talking to, Jessie? Uh-oh. Reagan, can you go close the door?
No, me.
Thank you. Jessie doing it. She got a blanket. She decided she wanted to go to the beach. Jesse, can you say hey? Hey.
You're doing the beast.
Sit down.
Get away.
She's fine, Reagan.
I'm just time doing the beach.
Jesse, what exactly are you doing? Besides telling us no. Shaking her head. Reagan, sit back, baby.
Just saying your name.
Where's Jesse? Jesse! There she is! No? That's not Jesse? No. Reagan. Give me your crayons. She took your crayons.
No.
Put them on the bed. She took your book. Jesse, that book's not for you.
No.